Akeria na ceceni ya Citizen TV, mutarani wa president maundu-ini megie wonjoria Moses Kuria riu nietikirite ati mathire maria mari na Akenya ni marituhitie mwarire wa ndama cia kihitaitano kia mwaka wa 2027 na kiaya gukarikirira ota kia mwaka wa 2002.
2027 will be another moment like 2002. There's not going to be an election in the sense that you are thinking. There's going to be so much consensus in the country. Wazee wataketi chini. They say we have two options. Go Rwanda way, destroy the nation Rwanda way, or let's agree. Let there be honor among, I don't say this, but among men and women. Let there be honor among men and women.
Kuria anyitirire ati Akenya marega gutacukia urugari-ini woteti uyu no baciriri bururi waya kurika handu kwiruta hagakorwo hari haritu indi kuri na mweke wa gwithema barabara ino wona atongoria metikira kunyitanira na kurutithania wira na thayo.
The possibility of us jumping over the cliff if we don't manage 2027 right is more dangerous than 207 and all these other things, and that will be the impetus, that will be the incentive that is going to make people sit around the table and say, to save this country we are going to do wewe utapata hii, wewe utapata hii, wewe utapata hii ingine. Unfortunately, that is not the game some people are practicing for. Some people are practicing for football, and it is going to be a tennis match.
Kuria ni arutite mahitia matua ma mutongoria wake makia DCP Rigathi Gachagua akiuga ati ni mamuteti urenda gukinyaniria wirihiria wake kurumirira mwatuko uria waumirire gatagati gake na President William Ruto na kuona Rigathi athiite na mbere na kwigwatira arumiriri na guthinga urumwe wa kirima. Kuria nyitirire ati uyu ti mundu wa kwihokwo.
Dragging our country into this kind of shallow pettiness. You must fight someone, everybody, kila mtu ni mbaya, you brush this one, musician is bad, so is bad, you're discussing people's voices, people's heights, people's wives. What is this? Is this really, the bar has never fallen this low in my community.
Kuria no okirire thirikari ni ururu uria koretwo ikihuthira kung'ethanira na Akenya aria mena mawoni ngurani na mayo na nyitirire ati waganu uyu uria wonekanite borithi makiuraga na muthenya barigici na nginyagia ceceni-ini ciao cia kugitira muingi akinyitirira ati guku ni kuo maruru ma Akenya maroima.
Well, some things, yes, I'm disappointed on some things. I'm disappointed on especially on these matters of the human rights and security, you know. And I've been maybe the only person within the administration who has been very consistent. I condemned the abductions, you know. I have condemned, you know, the extrajudicial killings, the Ojuangs, the other one. I have called them out even when there was corruption in the recruitment for the prisons. If this is one term, so you make then the best use of that one term. Assume it's one term, no problem. What's the problem? See, why did we put in our constitution there's going to be an election every 5 years? Yeah? What's the most dreadful thing about one term? But the question is, what did we do with that one term? Hata kama ni one term. What did we do with it?
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.